Dakathong ban kintiwi ka Ialehkai Snooker ha ka jala khamtam hanong ba Shillong ka National People's Youth Front Shillong City da ka baytre lang bat ka Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association hene ka sngi ka lapli Pyrda ya ka Lympung Ialehkai jang ka All Shillong Open Snooker Tournament halain kra. Ringkat ka jingdon lang kinong yalam jong ka association bat na ka National People's Youth Front ya ka te ka Lympung Ialehkai lawan ban play pat ba du MDC ka Mausin Ram uba Alvin Saukmi. Hadin kani utay MDC Badairu Vice Chairman ka KHADC ula Shim Bentaru Shipor hakate ka Ialehkai kum kadak ka jing play ka. Nakaliang kinongket kam ka association apo ka jingalam jong General Secretary kilapin tip baya ka te ka Ialehkai la ban Ialehkai nadu ki khna ki dangret karta but hadu de kilapalat shispa snap.
Tournament organized by the NPYF. Thank you very much for inviting me to be the chief guest for this opening ceremony. And in fact, I too have a lot of passion and interest for this game. But it's just that, this game requires a lot of skills. But so far my skills is just at an amateur level. And probably if you give me a chance after this game, I too would like to participate in 1 or 2 snooker shots.
Sure.
So thank you once again for inviting me, and I wish all the participants the very best for this snooker tournament. Thank you.
Also would like to of the Meghalaya Board Snooker Association. With his presence out here, we had kick-started the tournament. And I think, gentlemen, with all of you here, the encouragement is more, and we players would like to take it forward to a very, very healthy tournament in the books. Thank you all for your participation. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for coordinating this. We'd like to take it forward. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, as other members are also here, just to encourage the other players also, and also the members will come forward.
From 1996, that is 26 years old association we have. So this is all, and thank you, sir, for hosting this.
Thank you.
So that our voice goes a long way and entered to nationals. We have national players here already there. Amar is one of them. Bishan also.